Well, what responsible driver would stop as if he was in a roadside lay-by? You can't do it. They've shown a lamentable ignorance of Rule 55.
You're no stranger to Rule 55 then?
Well, I am strange to all the rules, actually, because I have to refer to it, but you can tell me what Rule 55 is.
Rule 55 is a protection of trains when they come to a stand, reminding of the signalman of the position of your train, sending your fireman within a minute, 2 minutes to the signal box to sign the book and ensure that the signalman is aware of your position on the track. That's Rule 55.
Autumn was changing the leaves from green to brown. The fields were changing too, from yellow stubble to brown earth. As Thomas puffed along, he heard the chug, chug, chug of a tractor at work.
My father, a widower, now 83, still lives in his own home with a resident housekeeper carer. Dad has been called the Puff Puff Parson. He has even been called eccentric. The creator of these stories sometimes wonders whether he dreamt up Thomas or Thomas dreamt up him. But the Reverend Audrey is destined to be remembered as the Thomas the Tank Engine Man.
The children and their parents are still buying these books in thousands about an age that is gone. I'm on a par with Willy Bunter or William. Nobody goes to school at a place like Willy Bunter, and nobody lives nowadays in a sort of suburban house like Richmond Crompton's William. But there it is.
There's Thomas the Tank goes fishing, or there's Thomas the Tank and Henry the Green Engine. Now tell me, Katie, if he's got You'd like one like...
I can see no end to it. I think it's great fun to sit back and watch other people being sceptical about it when I have that gut feeling that Thomas will go on forever because I've worked with him for so long, and I have seen no evidence of children going off him.
How would you like to be remembered?
I'd like to be remembered as an author who perhaps understood children, perhaps how they, in a small sense, understood perhaps how their minds work. I don't know.